Lilac is a classic plant that you would see in many gardens all over the UK. And I've got a really beautiful old-fashioned lilac in my garden, and it's really lovely in May. You get these beautiful cones of flower, the fragrance is astonishing, the colour is intense. In my case, it's a really rich purple, not unlike Palibin, which is the variety we're talking about here. But this is a special lilac because what the breeders have done here, the plant breeders, have gone away and they've said, well, actually lilacs are great, but they only flower in May. So what if we could create a lilac that doesn't just flower in May, but it flowers again, it double flowers later in the season? And that's exactly what they've created here. So this will flower for you beautifully with perfume like you've never smelt before in May. Then it will have a little rest, and then in September, it will just come back and do it all again for you. But it's better than that because this is hardy, so totally winter hardy here in the UK. So this isn't just a one-year wonder like a plant you would buy and grow this year and then have to replace it next year. Not at all. This is going to last you years and years, decades in fact to come. Also, this has been skillfully grafted. Now, here's the stem, the main stem, and then you can see, in this case, you can still see where the graft has been done, where it's been top grafted, and then you've got the variety there. Now, that creates the most impressive standard look, so that lovely lollipop shape. So all you've got to do over the next 2 or 3 seasons is trim these longer growths back into a standard size, get them in a globe shape, very easy, just a pair of secateurs or scissors, all you need to do, and then you will have a beautiful, outstanding, top-worked, globe-shaped display of flower that could look just like this one here on this picture. Now, the perfume this would create, the intoxicating, sweet, summery fragrance that this is going to create for you in your garden year after year and multiple times each year in May and September will just blow your gardening friends' minds. This is a beautiful variety. It's a new variety. It's specially developed to have that double flowering characteristic. And best of all, it's ideally suited to the modern gardens because it isn't very vigorous. It will stay compact. It's perfect for pots. So it's perfect for modern courtyards, patios, balconies, any limited space. You can now have a full, fragrant, beautiful lilac that you can trust and believe will remain beautifully compact. So Lilac Palibin in standard form, that lollipop form, it's an absolute must. It's a plant that ticks so many boxes. I hope you get yours this season.